So we're in my new tent. Got my little place secluded off. I'm going to put the tea on. It's just before 8, it's a bit late like, but it's a big teepees over there. That's where all the stuff happens. Cooking it on the old cheap go outdoors stove. Beautiful stuff. We've got lamb, gravy, roast potatoes and a Yorkshire. Catch us in a bit. That's the lamb for tonight. Just all cut it up. I've got the Yorkshires in there. I'll just pan round. Gravy's cooking in there. And it's getting that hot on there that this is going to actually warm me roast potatoes up, so job's good. Got that beast. Tell you what, the smell of that lamb gravy is absolutely beautiful. And that's where it's at. Dave, Paul, yeah, this is what you're missing out on, man. Got the bacon on as he's currently watching it. Well, falling asleep with the sun. It's absolutely boiling. It's just after 7:30 in the morning. Looking good. We've got Funky and Roach over there. Hold down. Seen them last night.
Weeks now.
You're not hungry, are you, darling?
I just told you had various food. Hardly feel she's there.
No, I just love it.
We're just going to try and dispel some myths and things today, you know, like people.
Smile before it bites you.
He's got it rolling, he hopes it does look.
Yeah, bugger!
He wants the footage.
Better take her back. She's gone to sleep, I think.
We're looking for someone with a hat to put it on the front of their hat, aren't we?
There you go.
Can we do that? Yeah?
I'll take a shot, yeah.
You lift your chin up and just look.
Straight to me, thank you. This is for the Bushcraft Show, please. Thank you. Oh my god.
Yeah, nice tight head and shoulder. It's quite well camouflaged on that hat.
That's a real spider, by the way.
Can you see her?
Well done. Proof that ladies are braver than
Definitely.
boys. They are.
I've helped him.
Except for this big guy here.
She's beautiful.
Here's John taking one for the team.
That bites me, right?
You're fitter than me.
Do you know what? You can't even feel it's there, can you?
It's just a tiny little touch of the toes, isn't there?
Hey guys, you've seen Spider-Man, haven't you, on the comics?
Yeah.
Yeah? You know his outfit?
Yeah.
He's got a spider on the front, hasn't he? So, if this guy here wanted to look like Spider-Man...
Yeah, sitting on his chest.
Stick it on my chest. Go on then.
Starts to walk, don't worry, I'll just...
Whoa, it sticks on. Walk, lady. It's like a
Don't keep
sticker.
touching it, it might bite this.
North East lads just shows you the hardest.
Oh, well.
Take one for the team. I can see his heart beating fast in mine.
Yeah.
But you can take them off now.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers.
Wow. It's almost sort of sharp on one ridge.
Man, you always think
Scales
to this snake.
lie on top of each other like roofing tiles, so they'll...
you're always going to think they're going to be slimy, don't you?
Oh, they're not.
They're not.
What do you think of that, Jay?
They're made from the same material as your fingernails.
Oh, right.
Keratin.
Really
Oh, it's sniffing me.
So they just...
lovely. Boy, you will look like a rat. Ooh, don't go for me. This is the first time.
Imagine when it's got a rat inside him.
You know what my bite is?
It won't. Jay, you wouldn't put it on your head if it was going to bite you. Go on, son.
Where's it going?
It's just going round your shoulders.
Like a scarf.
Like a tie. Do you wear a tie at
Do
school?
they?
What year are you in?
5.
Arms down. Arms down. 2 years' time you'll have to wear one when you go to big school.
Hold on, Jay. Wait, let's show Mum this one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Just put your hand flat
No,
like
it-
this now.
No.
A bit further forward.
Can't eat you. You're too big.
Well then, son. Hey, I'm proud of you.
Oh, that's
Look at
brilliant.
that, mate.
Oh, way.
Oh, it's constricting you. I'm only joking.
Any minute now.
Hey, that's awesome.
Another brave North East lad. I kind do because I'm behind the camera.
Oh, look at you.
Well done, Jay.
Did it get any closer, Jay? Stop there.
Oh, it's lovely.
I do want to slide.
So this is going to be the Mus's tent. This is definitely me, like, this has got me written all over it.
Big pipe on the top.
Oh, aye, look at that, beautiful. 15 man. Looks easy to put up, like.
Do you know what?
Dave, check the size of that out.
Veggies in there, Davey boy.
Put my hand on. Look at the size of that, man. We couldn't fill that with steak.
29 and 2.
That's a Dave's wild camping pan, that.
And
If I had the money, I'd buy it for you, Dave.
20 quid. 20 quid.
Size of that, man. Jesus.
See, this is what he's using at the minute, isn't it?
Yeah, that's about the size he's using at the minute. Will I get this in? That doesn't say whatever it says Dave's Wild Camping.
And that's where it's at.
That's where it's at. Just there, Dave. Look at the size of that, man.
It's heavy.
There they are, that's a pan you need.
Careful, child. Piece that minute.
It's a big old, like.
Aye.
Get them up, get them smoking on with Yorba black, and then wipe it around with lard, and then let it cool down, and then put it on again, not serve it again. Not stick then.
Paul's lovely t-shirt.
Yeah, I might just do that tonight.
You did yours, you got a cast iron, weren't you? You did yours last night.
Just get it on. Aye, for a tenner.
Oh, I for that price.
I think I've actually got one of them big cast irons.
Yes, this is the new Mrs. Bates.
Mrs. Bates! Come to see Mr. Bates. Ah, she's watching your sandwich there, lad. How old's the other one? It's just a young'un.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Shall I show how to load it, son?
I do.
Oh, right at the top of the block. Not as good a shot as I do.
Oh, shot.
Shot. Yeah.
Go try it.
To head, with that alternate position, push forward until you teach. Yeah, there we go.
Well done, mate.
We're not disappointed if we say rubbish, are we?
That's John's just getting there in the middle. Bullseye. And John Dodsworth. Lucky shot, lucky shot. Got a lucky shot in the bullseye there, he did.
Did you see that?
The reaction this bird usually gets is, ugh, look at that, isn't it horrible, isn't it smelly, and isn't it disgusting and ugly, and hopefully by the end of the demonstration you'll think a little bit differently about vultures, because they're not these dirty, smelly, horrible creatures that everybody believes them to be. In actual fact they're quite nice, and people think they're these dirty animals, and he's certainly the cleanest bird that I work with at the centre. He's probably cleaner than most of the staff that I work with at the centre as well, but that's probably more of a comment on them than he is on the bird of prey family. That's lovely. Good boy. And what we're encouraging him to do here is to do flying circuits.
Dick's cooking there. Looking all nice. What do you think this is for? Keep you
Keep you out.
It's not much to carry, is it?
Have it further back. What's that, just spices then, boy? No matter like. Jamie fucking Oliver.
There's the beef cooking. Lovely.